and welcome to my channel. My name is Tammy and this is the Tamlyn long reset method. Today I show you how I make the Betty Crocker Rainbow Cookies. They smell so good and they look beautiful. This recipe was extremely easy to make. It took 10 minutes to mix together and 20 minutes in the oven and another 10 minutes to cool on the oven tray and another 10 minutes to cool on this cooling rack. Inside the box we have got an easy tear open, sort of, rainbow cookie mix, and the sweets. What we need extra is 1 egg and 80 grams of butter. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees fan forced. I'm just going to put it on 160 degrees because I'm not sure if it is fan forced, and rather safe than sorry. And then we need to line a baking tray with baking paper, and then it's baking time, so it's 10 minutes prep time. Put the oven on. For these tasks, I always use a fork. This is working so well. Now to add in the flour. Now it says to use my hands to fully mix and form a soft dough. My soft dough is formed. Non-stick baking paper. Now we need to roll the dough into tablespoon size balls and place them onto the baking tray. My method is, I know that this is supposed to make 20, so I'm going to divide the dough in half twice and make 5 balls. And then we need to space them 5 centimeters apart. Now that all the balls are formed, I need to press 6 of these little chocolate candy covered buttons into each of the cookies. I'm starting with all the pink buttons. Now orange. Now these go into the oven for 10 minutes. I have left them in for 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, look at that steam. I have just moved these beauties over to a cooling rack and they look so perfect. I cannot wait to try one. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope that you enjoyed making these cookies with me. I love baking, but I love it when it's really easy. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, commenting, or even better, subscribing. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.